What is good, everybody? Culmination here, bringing you back another great video today. As you can see right here, I've got two packages right in front of me that I'll be opening for you guys. And before I get into the opening, make sure to go like and comment and subscribe down below. First off, let me just say thank you to my guy Miles. This video would not be able to be made if it wasn't for you. Thank you for allowing me to open these packages, and let's get into the video. Both of these packages here are both from StockX, and what's inside of them is really special. No, this video was not clickbait. These two packages both contain something that there's only 800 pairs of these made in the world. Now let's see what's in this box. Right here, I do have two packages on the front. They do say Stray on them. So if you do know what these are, you know that these are very special. So before I actually open them and tell you guys what's in them, StockX, and if you guys know the famous jeweler in New York City that almost every single rapper goes to, gets their Cuban links, the jewelry, their rings, their watches, to go get iced out. That jeweler is Ben Baller. You guys might have heard the term in ASAP Ferg's Plain Jane, where it's Ben Baller did the chain.
Good job, Ferg is the name. Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch. Prezi Plain Jane.
StockX collaborated with Ben Baller, and then right here made a collaboration with Stray slides, and they came out with the Ben Baller StockX Ben Baller did the chain slides. Both these slides, they come with one black pair and one red pair. The black pair came out with only 525 pairs, and the red pair was a little more limited, came out with 275 pairs. So the red pair is a lot more limited than the black pair. Each pair of slides comes with a custom StockX authentication tag that is tied together with Cuban link, and it has small little cubic zirconium. It looks like diamonds inside the tag. I'll cut that shit chat and let's see what's in these boxes. We'll start with the black pair because it's the most produced pair, not the rarest pair. So when you first open the box, you have your little receipt here. It says Stray Ben Baller did the chain slide pack IPO. That's got information. We'll not show that. Then you have this right here. Ben Baller did the chain. StockX changed the game. I won't read all of this that's on the back. I'll show you guys right here. So if you guys want to take a screenshot and pause the video right now just so you guys can read it, go ahead. So yeah, the other piece that comes in here, let's open these. First thing out of the box, two StockX stickers. And then what everyone came here to see, the two Ben Baller did the chain Stray StockX slides. Obviously this shoe is not my size, this is my friend Miles' shoe. He's a size 8, I'm a size 13, so I'm not even gonna dare put my foot in this thing. But the reviews I've seen and the things I've seen about the Stray slides, that these are the most comfortable slides that you can get in the market. And the piece de resistance comes inside this little bag right here. So right here we have the custom StockX authentication tag that comes with the mini Cuban link. And it's got that cubic zirconium right inside the tag. You can see the light shimmer off of it right there. And honestly, this little detail that comes along with these shoes is amazing. I think that the details that went into this, the fact that you get a little mini Cuban link to go along with the Ben Baller slides, that's awesome. So the reason that Ben Baller chose to do these slides with StockX is that Ben Baller said that Stray slides are the most comfortable slides that he's ever worn, so that's what he decided to do. And right here on the front, as you can see, it says Ben Baller did the chain on both slides. And the way that you were able to purchase these from StockX is that they did something a little bit different this year. So unlike the regular StockX market, the way that you can get a chance to purchase these slides is that they did a silent auction. The way they did that is because since this was such a limited pair of slides that you can get a hand of. So the way it goes is that you choose your size slide that you want, and then you put in a bid. The way your bid gets chosen is that if you're one of the highest bidders for that size, you get them. And you could bid like $500 on these slides, $1,000 for these slides, and that doesn't mean you're gonna pay that much. The way that StockX did them is that if you're one of the highest bidders, you're gonna pay the fair price. The fair price for these slides was like $170. So you could bid a $500 to $1,000 on them, and you wouldn't know what the fair price is. But it turns out that if you were to bid $400 on these slides and you order one of them, you'd get them for $170. So that's brand new to StockX. Seen the black pair. Now let's open the box and see the limited red pair. Once again, another receipt sticker. It's got your information on it. Another Ben Baller did the chain. StockX changed the game tag banner. The other mini Cuban that comes with the red pair of slides. Another one. And here we have the red pair of Ben Baller did the chain slides. Like I said before, there are only 800 of the slides made altogether. 575 pairs of the 525 pairs of the black and only 275 pairs of the red. So these red slides make those black slides look like nothing. These shoes are a lot more limited than those black ones. But just like the black ones on the front say Ben Baller did the
Today, Junior.
chain. Got the stray on it. Very nice. Seems like a very comfortable slide. If I decided that they were going to be this nice of material, I would have put in a silent bid for myself, but I decided not to. So thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, thank you, Miles. This video wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for you. And thank you guys for watching this. Make sure to go subscribe down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment, leave your feedback down below. And just yesterday, we hit 20 likes on my sneaker collection video. I'll leave that link to that video down below. And that means that I bought myself a laced up mystery bait package that is on its way. And that video should be coming in about a couple days to a week. And I can't wait to bring that video out for you guys, and I can't wait to bring this video out for you guys. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.